Today we're going to show you how to make your very own custom buttons using a button maker. Whether you're making them for a club, a class project, or just for fun, you'll be able to create professional looking buttons in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to prepare your design. Head over to our website where you'll find printable button templates to use in Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or another graphics program of your choosing. Once you've finished preparing your designs, print them out and grab a graphic punch cutter. Cut your designs into strips that can easily fit into the punch. Slide the strip in, line up your design, and press down the red handle to cut it out. Once it's been cut, lift the handle and press up from the bottom to eject your design. At this point, you should have all 5 pieces you need to make your button: a front shell, your cut design, a clear mylar sheet, a back button shell, and a pin. Next, let's get the pin back ready. If you are making a pin back button, open up the pin and insert the point through one of the holes in the back button shell, with the sharp side of the shell facing toward you. You should be able to see the zigzag shape on the side of the button shell, which was facing you when you started. Now let's assemble the button. Start by placing the front button shell sharp side down into the shallow pickup die of the button maker. Remember, always make sure to use only one pin back and one button shell at a time to avoid jamming the machine. Next, take your pre-cut design and place it face up on top of the button shell. Then add the clear mylar cover over the design. Rotate the die clockwise until it lines up with the upper die. Once everything is in place, pull the handle down as far as it will go. Then raise it back up to its starting position. Next, with the dies still in the same position, place the pin back sharp side up into the deep crimp die. You should be able to see the zigzag pattern when it's in place in this orientation. Rotate the die counterclockwise until the pin back rests under the upper die. Now, just like before, pull the handle down all the way and lift it back up. Rotate the lower dies clockwise to reveal your finished button. And that's all there is to it. You're ready to make your buttons. Thanks for watching.